Greetings again, amazing traders. So we are going to do a quick market review for pound dollar for the 3rd of March 2025. Okay, you see what we have been preaching. We have been preaching that if we are bullish, we want to see a form of consolidation during the Asian session, and then we want to see a run on those Asian lows. Okay, Asian lows, sell side liquidity, and then we are going to look for a market structure shift on a lower time frame, and we are going to be looking for buy opportunity. So you see, when the Asian range closed, we saw how the market traded below that Asian range, sweeping all the sell side liquidity below that Asian range right down here. And then what did we see? We saw a market structure shift right here, and then price moved aggressively higher. And we have been preaching that our profit objective is just one standard deviation of the Asian range. But if you look at what happened here, the market actually did something very wonderful, something amazing. I mean, no one was expecting this amount of move on Monday. So let's see how far the market actually went above the Asian range. Let's look at something here. So the market actually went 6 standard deviations above the Asian range, sweeping all the buy side liquidity that was resting right over here at 1.27160. okay, you see that with this move right here. Okay, this move right here swept all the buy side liquidity that was resting above those highs. Okay, so this strategy is very powerful, and it is very simple. All you have to do is you have to wait for the Asian range to close, and then you are going to draw your midnight opening price across like so. Then you wait for price to trade below the Asian range or below the Asian session, sweep all the liquidity, and then you wait for a market structure shift right down there, and you are going to look for buy opportunities. And we are only targeting one standard deviation, but if you notice, the market actually went very higher. Okay, so if you actually took that trade, a huge shout out to you. So what we have been preaching is this is only our profit objective, which is just one standard deviation, but you see how far the market went higher. So anyone who took this trade, a huge shout out to you. Okay, that was a very massive trade for Monday. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that I will do more reviews like this so that you can follow along. Please make sure that you are practicing this strategy, and make sure that you are backtesting. It's actually going to help you a lot. So you see the ICT power of 3 here: accumulation, manipulation, and then we see distribution higher. Then later in the day we see a close to form the daily candle. So it is basically something like this, where you have the open, low, high, and close. Okay, so this is the daily candle here. We have something like this. Okay, something like this: the open, the low, like so, the open, the low, the high, and then the close. So this is the daily ICT power of 3. Okay, where we have you have the open here, we have the low, we have the high, and then we have the close here to form the ICT power of 3, where the accumulation occurs here, the manipulation, which is this one here, and then we have the distribution, which is all of this move here, and then we have the close here, which is this move downward over here. That is a classic ICT power of 3 in practice, and we saw that happened today, Monday. All right, thank you so much for watching, and see you. Goodbye.